Looking to manage your Twitter ads campaign notifications on your PC? Let's guide you through the steps to easily disable notifications for ads campaigns on Twitter. To begin, open the Twitter platform on your PC. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the left-hand column of the settings page, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. This will direct you to the Notification Settings section specifically for web notifications. Within the Notification Types menu, choose Preferences to customize your notification preferences. Click on Push Notifications to manage the type of notifications you receive. Under the section labeled From Twitter, uncheck the box next to Ads Campaign to disable notifications related to ads campaigns specifically. Ensure that the box remains unchecked to prevent receiving notifications for ads campaigns. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to confirm and apply the modifications to your notification settings. By following these simple steps, you can effectively control and customize your Twitter notification preferences, specifically for ads campaigns, according to your preferences.